Okay, so we're gonna do a demonstration with my beautiful model here, Rebecca. And we're going to give her thicker brows. She has beautiful eyebrows. They're already nicely arched, which I wish I had and I don't. So I make mine. So today I'm just gonna fill her in a little bit, but I'm gonna remove the natural oils with my alcohol. You wanna just take off any oil, makeup, anything that she's put on, because we want the tint to adhere to her skin and her brows.
Now that we've removed all the oils, we can go ahead and start applying our tint, starting from mid-brow to the ends. I like to do that because it helps keep the color more towards the middle and the end, and it's darker towards the end rather than darker at the front. And we can clean it up with a Q-tip with alcohol on it. You can apply as much or as little as you want. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. You pretty much can determine your own brow shape because the tint is not just adhering to your hair, but it's also adhering to your skin. You want to make sure that you apply generous amounts so that you're ensuring the full coverage to the brow so that you don't avoid any spots or any missing places on your eyebrow. It goes on easily with the gel brush applicator and it peels off, leaving a natural, fuller, younger looking brow without the pain of microblading. Now you're going to want to make sure you clean it up with the Q-tip, with the alcohol, and any extra hairs that you have there, just to give it a clean finish, you're going to want to pluck those hairs, or you can use a razor for your brows, whichever you decide. It's up to you. Now we're going to let the gel sit for about 20 minutes and we'll see you in 20 minutes.
So now we're ready to take off the tint. We've let it sit for longer than 20 minutes. You can actually let it sit for an hour if you have the time. You can even let it sit overnight. The reason that you can do that is because it has argan oil in it. And argan oil, as we know, you can Google it, it's great for your skin and your hair. So the purpose of this eyebrow tint is not just beneficial to create an eyebrow for you, but it's actually healthy for your hair. All right, so we've nourished her eyebrows with the argan oil in the tint for probably an hour maybe. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove it. We're gonna use a mascara wand that comes with your brow tint. And I find it much easier because it is a peel off product, but I find it much easier if you use a mascara wand to remove the tint.
So you're going to want to gently remove the tattoo gel with the mascara wand, twisting as you go along the brow line to ensure that you're not removing any unnecessary hairs, because you want to leave that nice tint behind along with your hairs. You'll make your way all the way to the end, and there you have it. The tattoo ink is off, leaving you a beautiful brow behind. And this will last for a couple days. And you're going to repeat that on the other side gently. And there you go, you have beautiful brows. You just get up and go, nice and easy.
Look at those brows. Vive Brow! Vive Brow, Mighty Cosmetics. Make sure you place your orders, guys. I have limited supply, so you want to make sure you go to the website, MadiBCosmetics.com, and get your Vive Brow and get your brows on fleek.